In this tutorial you will learn how to process return request from customer.
Step 1. Click on Orders link on the seller dashboard. Step 2. Click on Return request pending process. Customer return products are listed under the Customer Return Request link. Seller needs to process the return request according to the return policy within the time period. If the seller not process the return request within the time period, then it will be auto-processed by widerwings, and refund will be initiated to the customer. Step 3. Click on View button to process return product list. In this demo video, customer asking for replacement. And the reason is wrong color product received. You will see the product proof images below, which are you uploaded images during the order processing. You can see the delivered product image below, which is captured by our executive in customer's place. In this demo video, product image, proof image, and delivered image are matching each other. From the above proof images are matching each other. You can reject the return request by clicking on Reject the Return Request button. Click on Yes button.